Yo, what is going on, guys? So after a long weekend wait, I finally got my Hitbox in today. And when I took a look at the packaging, I was like, yo, what is up? Why is there so much damage on it? But once I finally got rid of that fragile box, right? There was no damage to the actual packaging. And when I took a look at the unit itself, there was no damage to it. And as you can see, it also comes with a nice little bag that you can throw in your back in case you are taking it to tournaments or whatever. It also comes with a nice little detachable braided cable as well as some extra paperwork. Now getting back to that braided cable, it's pretty cool. It's pretty sturdy, heavy duty, and it has this, when you're plugging it into the hitbox, these pins, and that makes sure it's not going anywhere. It'll click in and you have to pull the thing to pull it out. But when we actually look at the actual unit, it's beautiful. It has glass on it. It's smaller than I thought it was, but it's also heavier than I thought it was. Now let's take a look at the port and how you're going to be plugging it in and taking it out. So if you're coming from an arcade stick or any arcade style controller, you'll feel right at home knowing which buttons are what. But if you are new to these kinds of controllers, they do include a map that tells you which button is what. There is no L3 or R3 button, so that's something to keep in mind. And that's everything that comes in the packaging. I really dig the fact that they give you a bag. That's just so dope. I also decided to take a look at the compatible platforms that this controller will work with. On the PC, which is going to be my main platform, I'm glad it's just plug and play and it works just fine. And it's pretty much the same thing with the PS4. It works with no issue. You just have to push the home button to, I guess, log in, but it has no issue at all and it will work perfectly fine. I also took a look at the PS3, and similar to the PC, it's plug and play. You just put it in and it works without any issue. So if you want to play some older games, it'll work. And just for kicks, I decided to take a look at the Xbox One. As expected, it didn't work. So if you want to play on Xbox One, you're probably going to have to just buy an adapter. And that's everything that I looked at when it comes to the Hitbox. It has a dope design, sandwall buttons, and I'll definitely be switching to this from an arcade stick. I can't wait to put out more videos using this thing. And that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Peace.